So the question is with our new commercial providers is how do we get, as an agency, how do we get the right level of insight? Not every single piece of data, but how do we get to the level of insight that we feel comfortable putting our stamp of approval? So as an example, the launch vehicles in development are actually reconfigurations of existing hardware, and they continue to evolve. So our two providers have different methods for looking at developing a low-cost approach, a highly reliable low-cost approach, and it results in almost a continuous improvement process that requires NASA to have almost regular interaction with the industry provider. The problem we're struggling with is how do we actually do that within the contract framework and get down to those deeper levels of insight on the hardware. The providers are actually using innovation in a new way. This is a great opportunity, again, for NASA, but it presents a challenge because not using traditional aerospace standards then results in the engineering community needing to look a little bit further under the hood to see what these new standards, what the parts kind of result in. Because the truth is, you know, our mission is inherently exciting. It brings amazing people with naturally motivated that want to do it. At the same time, it has very low tolerance for error. And the consequences are severe, as we have seen in the past. So it's really important not to lose that understanding. It's one thing to lose a launch vehicle. It's another thing to lose families. And the agency we have experienced that, and it shouldn't hold us hostage because exploration is inherently risky. So we are going to lean forward and continue forward, but we also have to find a balance of how do we manage the risk and innovation versus knowing a level of detail.